It's important to understand why you are a social venture and what makes you unique. Social ventures are companies that have an intent to make a social or environmental difference or have to solve a problem alongside generating financial sustainability. Oftentimes, these social entrepreneurs are very passionate about the work that they do, but it's important to be able to solidify that and understand what makes them different. The difference between having a bottom line versus a triple bottom line, and knowing what it is in their business model that they need to consider when they're going through growing and scaling their business. What would make them unique could be something as solving a societal problem or an environmental issue, and then being able to build that into their business model. Social ventures should become B Corp certified. And that's really important because when we think about social ventures, they have an important thing to do, which is articulate what their social mission is. It's really important in order for entrepreneurs who are considering more than just one bottom line, to have the triple bottom line is to consider people, planet, profit, is to find a way to articulate that and actually measure it. When we think of social ventures, it's about the intent of using their business to solve a social or environmental problem. However, it has to go further than just an intent. It also has to look at measuring. And that's where the certification process comes in. B Corps are businesses that use the power of business to solve social and environmental problems, and they do that through an impact assessment piece. If a social venture is interested in becoming a B Corp certified, the best way to do it is to access the B Impact Assessment. You can go online for www.bimpactassessment.net. It's a free tool. It allows a company to think about how they address their environmental impact, their community impact, how they treat their employees, and what their governance structure is like. It's a completely free tool. It allows them to see what are the best practices out there. If I want to build a social venture that's going to grow and scale, what are other companies doing? It's 200 questions. It allows you to look at inward, think about the policies that you may have in place, the things that you may want to do and consider. And it's a great kind of framework and guideline and a map to consider as you build and grow your social enterprise, what are the things that you need to think about in terms of best practices for social and environmental responsibility. If you're a social venture looking to access capital, you will want to register on the SVX. SVX stands for the Social Venture Connection, and it's an online platform that connects social ventures with impact investors. Think eHarmony for impact investing. The idea of a social venture looking for capital, it's difficult for them to find, and vice versa for impact investors to find these great projects. So SVX is an online platform that creates a space for these impact investors to come and meet with these really great projects, whether they're nonprofit or for-profit looking to generate a financial return and also a social and environmental return as well. We create the meeting place to do so.